Good morning, class. I am Aditya Raj from BCA PPU Batch 2. And in today's class of operating system, I am going to discuss with you what are the matrices required for implementing Banker's algorithm. Then, as all we see that here I write available resource array. An available resource array stores the current available resources of each type of processes. Okay, and then I write current allocation, as current allocation stores the matrices of resources that are currently allocated to each processes. And then maximum need matrix, here a matrix that stores the maximum number of resources that are required by each processes. And then I write current available, the current available, a set that requires the IDs of processes that have been executed and released by the process. And then I write need matrix. Need matrix, it is a matrix that stores and which are calculated as the difference between maximum need matrix and current allocation. And then first I find need matrix. As I say, need matrix is calculated as the difference between maximum need matrix and current allocation. Here we notice I calculate all the need matrices that are implement in Banker's algorithm, and then I calculate current available. The current available is calculated as a conditions required. Need matrix is less than equals to current available. Here we notice need matrix is 0200, or as we notice current available 1020. Here the condition is not satisfied, as we notice b is here 2 and here is 0. Then this the process p1 is waiting, and now we take process p1. Here we notice a is 0 and a is 0, and current available a is 1. Here the condition is also not satisfied. Then we take process P2. Here need matrix A is 0, here is 1. Also the example,